What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So today we are going to react to one of the most requested from Jamiel. Ito ay Magpakailan Paman, GM De La Serna and Mariel Montiliano during Sir Ogie Alcacid's concert. So Ogie OK to Reimagine. Okay, so now, if bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay, so with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go.
Eto na, huwag na natin patagalin pa. I'm so excited for you to hear this. This is a song I wrote a few years ago. It's called Magpakailan Paman. And tonight is the premiere of these two to sing that song. Jamiel.
Okay, so binigay sa kanila yung kanta or pinakanta sa kanila yung one of, the compositions of Sir Ogie. Kasi sabi niya, premiere. So meaning, unang beses nating maririnig to na kanta from Sir Ogie and Jamiel yung kumanta. Am I right? Love song talaga yung intro pa lang na very lovely. First line pa lang alam kong kay Sir Ogie na yun eh. The way he wrote the lines and the way it was delivered by JM. Talagang very Ogie Alcacid. Why do I feel like, or I'm getting the vibe of Ogie and Regine? Parang 2.0, no? Ang galing, ang galing. Oh, beautiful song. Nice. Ang linis. Nice. I know this is going to be a hit song. So far, hindi ako very familiar sa kanta. So I suppose this is actually a new song, no? Na ipinarinig sa atin ni Sir Ogie Alcacid through the performance of Jamiel. And I have the feeling na parang ibibigay to ni Sir Ogie sa Jamiel. Ang galing! Very Regine yung atake ni Mariel today, Nice, nice. That's how versatile these both singers are. Nice. Nice! Nice! Galing! Wow, beautiful song, beautiful performance.
Ang galing nila, di ba? You think bagay yung song sa kanila?
Yes!
I think you should record it.
Woo! I told you.
Do you think they should record it?
Yes!
You should record it. I will produce it for you.
Yeah!
And I will get all the earnings. Alam mo, kung gusto nyo mag-concert, ipoproduce ko kayo ng concert. At pagkakakitaan ko kayo. Sabi ko sa inyo. Palakpakan po natin, Jimmy,
diba?
Sir na Mariel Montellano.
I told you, kahit si Sir Ogie, na-impress sa kanila as a duo. No? Individually, alam ko naman impressive silang dalawa. But as a duo talaga, no one, so far ngayon, no one comes close sa kanilang dalawa. No? Kasi, it's not just the kilig-kilig factor. Well, the kilig factor is a big factor in terms sa duo. But, yung linis talaga and the compatibility of their voices, hindi talaga siya basta-bastang, matatalo ng ibang duo or ibang pair, no? Kahit sinong magagaling na singers. It's just that they're just meant to be, okay? Sabi ko nga, match made in heaven, hindi lang as a person, no? Kung sila ba talaga, hindi. Labas tayo doon. But what I'm trying to say is match made in heaven talaga yung boses nila, no? It's like God's plan. Okay? It was God's plan na talagang they will have this break sa kanilang career as a duo. Maybe not individually. Siguro, darating yung panahon na they will go solo, but not right now kasi alam naman natin na they're just so good sa kanilang duo na performances. And the kilig is there, and everybody is supporting them as a duo right now. So, hindi ako magtataka if Sir Ogie would really produce a concert for them. Kasi talent-wise, man, talented, skillful, magagaling talaga. And also, in terms sa, what do you call this? Looks, no? Meron din sila, no? They're marketable, no? They're sellable, no? So, amazing, Jamiel. And thank you for Sir Ogie, no? Dahil ipoproduce niya ng kanta. And I can't wait to hear the studio version. Pero itong live version, it's already like amazing, no? Nakita natin yung individual na skill nila, no? Sa high notes, sa mga runs, sa mga bale, alteration that they did on this song. Aside sa magaling sila sa harmony, sa blending, but they did wonderful things sa kanilang vocals as a soloist dito sa performance ito. So, amazing, amazing. Good job, good job. So, I hope you like that, and please, mag-subscribe kayo kung bago kayo dito. Okay? Follow me sa Facebook, sa TikTok, and sa Instagram. So, peace out, everybody. Much love, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.